Yeah, man, I'm ready. Oh!
Snap on Wednesday, bitches!
Jesse is a friend. I know he's been a good friend of mine. But lately something strange, kinda hard to define. Jesse's got herself a girl and I wanna make her mine. But she's watching with no time.
Then you get to go home. Don't. Okay, bye.
Raining again.
Oh, it's a beautiful day.
It's like every Wednesday.
Not everywhere. It's sunshine in here.
That's true, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you gonna buy something today? What are you looking for?
I don't know, man.
What are you looking for? Nice stuff. We're asking about this.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, what do we have there?
New tool. It's funny because I'm actually doing a bearing and race today, but for the amount of times I use it. Ta-da. I like it. That's really cool. That's nice. I've just seen it all over the internet. People are picking them up pretty fast, though.
Does the Snap-on make like utility shovels? Or it's like a collapsible shovel and a tool?
That's nice.
Inside the handle's like a saw and stuff.
No.
What are you talking about? I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, man.
Hey man, an air comb.
What?
You comb the air with this air comb.
Air comb?
Oh, it says air comb. Patent pending. Oh,
It's got holes in the tip of it right there.
maybe that's why it's an air comb.
What do you do with it, though?
You comb stuff.
What do you do with the air comb? What's the air comb for? This big long.
Okay, so the end is plugged.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of little holes down the side.
I can see that right
so
there,
you
yeah.
can use that for cleaning out rads, condensers.
Oh. Got it.
Shoots 90 degrees.
I gotcha.
Patent pending.
Interesting.
Well, that's the first, Jesse. I've never been asked about a shovel.
Yeah, like
I've never been asked for a shovel.
it's a collapsible shovel and there's a saw in the end of the handle. Like you pull the handle up, but it's a saw inside there.
Ooh, I just found something I want.
I had somebody catch this on a Wednesday video and wanted me to show it.
Oh, nice.
It's exactly what I thought it was. It was the pick set that I have. So. Get a kit number. I love this thing. Put that back. This way.
I think you need a vernier caliper.
Why, to measure your penis?
Yeah.
Oh!
You want to really find out the girth?
Pretty sure this thing doesn't go small enough.
Oh.
It only goes down to micro
You guys gonna fight now? You gonna fight or kiss? It's one of the two.
I'm gonna go
Choke
with
slam.
fight because I don't want any male kissing in my truck.
Yeah, that makes two of us.
Yeah.
Not that there's anything wrong with that.
Huh?
What are you putting there?
Fuck. I've seen somebody have them before. They're
something underneath.
for wrenches or extensions. Fuck, I can't remember. Oh. Air tools. Air tools. Grab one of those off there.
Oh, snap. Nice.
That's what it is. Here, slide back. There you go.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, so it kind of...
Off the side of your toolbox.
Yeah. That's what you need. You can scratch up the side of your toolbox with it, with all the air tools.
That's what I need. More scratches.
More scratches.
You'll be happy about that one. Yours won't be the only scratch in my toolbox.
No, I thought you already scratched it again.
No.
Since me.
No. If I did, I don't know about it.
Yeah, I scratched Jordan's toolbox.
It doesn't matter. It's okay, homie. It's all right. What do we got? I really like that foam you gave me for the ratchets there. The ratchet drawer, cutting them all up like that.
Yeah, we can have a look at that after.
Yours.
What do I need, man? What do I need?
Are you asking me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, shovel.
You're the snap-on guy. You tell me what I need.
Hit that bearing race installer and seal installer right there.
And then never use it.
Yeah. Yeah, because we work at a Hyundai dealership.
Yeah,
It's cool. I
You
don't.
can come borrow it from me.
I'm unfortunately not going to get it, but
What's your extension set like, Jesse?
What?
What's your extension set like?
Oh,
your extension arsenal.
I've got lots of extensions.
Yeah.
Miss Jessie.
What do you got?
That's down the shovel.
Oh,
It's collapsible.
found
There's
him a
no
shovel.
knife in the handle.
There's a knife in the handle?
Oh, that's what you're talking. A shovel. I thought you were like shelving
No,
for some reason, like
shelves?
snap-on shelving.
dig myself out of the snow or the mud
One of those.
if I get stuck.
Or you could like, fix a
CRKT.
car instead. And
That's
drive
cool.
up the mountain. Fuck it.
They make some where the handle comes off though, and there's a saw inside the handle.
Oh, really?
So
So
it's a
just-
saw, it's a shovel.
Ah.
So let me get this straight, Jesse. Just in case while you're climbing up the side of a mountain, you need
No.
to dig a hole.
When I'm driving there.
Oh, what's the number on it?
CRK.
Wow, look at those little suckers.
This is tiny, eh?
Trench.
Oh, they're even.
Spring loaded.
Yeah. Killer.
So you don't get hand cramps.
Using these tiny
Yeah,
little
they're
things.
tiny.
Oh, that's awesome. These would be fucking handy as hell.
Yeah. Yeah, those are small, eh? And they're
They're strong too.
but there's no
Oh, there's
like,
no gap.
There's no bevel or bezel or whatever the heck you would call it in there.
Oh, like a flush cut.
Yeah, so it's basically flush, right?
You know, stab yourself with a zap strap.
Yeah. Are you gonna get some pliers?
I shot my wad on a toolbox, brother. Next month.
Pussy.
I think actually my next purchase will end up being those the hooks that you were showing for plastic panels. I really like those.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
I think I might my
Does that come with the?
my pry bars are lacking, so I might buy some pry bars today.
Does that set come with the forked prong for the
So like a deer.
plastic clips?
Oh, so that thing's
on
huge.
door panels and shit.
Yeah, it'll be
Pretty
able
big that hook set, you know what I mean?
What do you mean? You have to show me.
I saw
Well, the
six
hook set
years.
that you had out looking at before, and then like the longer pry bar with the hook on the end, you know, to grab the plastic.
Just joking. Yeah, fuck, I have no clue, man.
I guess it's that
You're
season,
talking
eh?
about like the plastic, those, right?
No.
Yes.
No, you can't.
Okay, so
I'm
what am
wondering
I?
if that other set comes with these
I heard
in
it
it,
was
or is
bear
that a whole
hunting
nother
season.
set of
Spring
this
bears,
top?
Oh, I have no idea. Mine comes in a 3-pack.
of those.
Yes.
I never see bears on my hikes, but
I always seem to lose them all.
deers. Seen a few coyotes.
Shoot them.
Yeah. I love those things though, man. They've come in so useful.
Yeah.
I use them for lots of other stuff, not
Lure
just
it over
panels
with
and
some
stuff.
trail mix and then
For other things.
Yeah.
What do you get doing?
I don't know yet. Well, I do actually.
broken bolt extractor.
Could that double as a shovel?
That.
What's that?
There you go, Jesse. Can that double as a shovel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My truck's just
That'll
gonna
do
be
some damage.
packed with wet.
What's
you
up with
wanna
the end
get
of it? What do you do with the end of it? Oh man, it's,
Oh, it's
like,
like
it's like a nail puller.
Nail puller.
You can get into the tactical axe.
That thing is
Oh,
cool.
okay, I like that.
That's like a little tomahawk. Oh man.
Dude, I'm sold. I'm gonna get that thing.
It clips in and out of it.
That thing's sick.
That's awesome.
Shovels.
Machete.
That's cool.
What do you mean you didn't
Let's see
upsell
this
my
thing.
brakes? Hey?
Put a big frickin' hole inside the tire with that.
Yeah, the tire's
like a little
the tire's
throwing axe, I guess,
non-repairable.
eh?
What are you talking
I
about?
found an axe in your tire.
I like that.
You like it?
I do.
That thing's cool.
That is fucking cool.
It just pops in.
Put the whole blade in, yeah, and then up, and then move, and then
Okay, yeah.
flip that over.
That thing's badass. I like it.
He's gonna have
All
fun
right.
with that one. It's dying.
I can do some shopping now. Oh, all right, guys. Well, that was Snap on Wednesday on the truck. First Snap on Wednesday of April. Expect 3 more. Anyway, the month is starting to pick up. The content is actually going to start rolling out quick now. I got some videos in the works, in the making. So yeah, let's see what I got. Let's see what I picked up on the truck today. I've been wanting this set for a long time. This wasn't the one in the flyer that I was talking about. 210 RAFSM, and this is the 3/8 6-point metric super shallow ratchet and sockets. So I've ran into a couple of times where I've actually needed this and I just don't have them, so got them, picked them up. I do already have the 14 mil, but I don't know what I'm going to do with that now. And then on my way off the truck, I picked up the Bluetooth headphones. I don't use headphones normally, but I figured this might come in handy for just doing my videos, so that it's Bluetooth. It'll hook up to my MacBook, no problem. So that's pretty much all I got on the truck today. You saw Jesse's Tomahawk. That thing is fucking cool. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it, guys. I have a really big mail call video that I'm going to be making in the next day or two, and that'll be up hopefully sometime, maybe on the weekend, ready for everybody to check out. I got a bunch of stuff, and I don't normally make mail call videos, but I figured that there's enough stuff that I have that I haven't made a video yet. I haven't been in a video yet, so I figured that I would just make one whole mail call video. So keep your eye out for that. I got some cool stuff. Other than that, guys, that is pretty much it. Remember to check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, all that fun stuff. Snap-on Collectors, which is always where I really hang out all the time. And that's everything I got for you guys. So remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
You know I wish that I had Jesse's girl. I wish that I had Jesse's girl. Where can I find a woman like that? I play along with the charade. There doesn't seem to be a reason to change. You know I feel so